In this North Carolina Healthcare WebEOC training video, we will review the operations of the Incident Files board in the WebEOC system. To access the Incident Files board, click on your control panel and select Incident Files. It is important to note that the board or the details in the Incident Files board are specific to the incident that you are currently logged into. So any files that we add here will be listed in the demo training incident only. As I select on the Incident Files board, it gives me the ability to add and view folders. Currently there are no folders already created in this board, so I will go through and create a folder. Click on the green button in the top right hand corner to create a folder for your files. Here you select a folder name, so we will do Incident Action Plans. Next, you have the opportunity to select, is this a shared folder, which means that everybody in the North Carolina Healthcare WebEOC system can see it, or is this a private folder, so only ones that can be viewed by your position. So anyone that logs in under the Alamance Regional Medical Center position would be able to see it, but individuals in other positions would not be able to see this folder. So I'm going to choose the private folder of Incident Action Plans. And additionally, I'm going to create a new folder called Situation Reports, and I'm going to have that as a shared folder that everybody can see on the system. A couple additional elements here from the screen. You can search for folder names. If you can't remember the name of the folder but you remember the beginnings of it, you can use the search feature to search for folders. Or you also have in the top left hand corner the availability to say just show me my private folders through a filter, or just show me shared folders through a different filter. Or by default it will show all of your folders, and it lists whether it is a shared folder or a private folder on the left hand side. To add files into the system, you would go in and click on the name of the folder. This takes you into the folder where you're able to add files. In the top right hand corner, notice that you have the Add File Name button. You're going to give the file a description, so IP number 1, and then you'll click on Choose File, which gives you the ability to go out and select a file from your desktop wherever it happens to be. WebEOC will accept any type of file that you typically use in or in any of your Microsoft Office programs, PDF and other types of files, and it simply adds it in as a new file. Now it's important to note that to view the file, you click on View Attachment. It will download a copy of that file to your desktop. You do not have online file editing capabilities within WebEOC. If you need to download that, make changes, and re-upload it, you can update that file by clicking on Update. It will keep the name. You can select the updated version of it by hitting your Choose File button and hitting Save, and that will overwrite your current file in there. Or you could simply add another file and call it IAP number 1 version 2. When you're done adding files, you can go back to return to your folder list, and that takes you back to the incident specific files board.